Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and for the longest time I get people on Facebook asking for help, and I have to either Facebook or off one of my videos, and I have to send them my email. So I thought I'm going to make a new email and just put it out there. That way if I get some bunch of spammers, I won't have to worry about it, my regular email. But it is all in black, but I made it red so you can it looks funny because it's all had to be together. CorelDrawHelpDoug@gmail.com. Send me a CDR, which is a Corel file or even a PDF or most anything, and I'll see if I can help. If it's a Corel file, send it in X19 or below so I can open it, and tell me what you need help with, and I'll try to help. Mainly, I can help the best with laser engraving and cutting help. If you get into, a bunch of colors and things like that that other people use for Corel, I can try to help or maybe help you find somebody that can. But anyway, if you don't need help right now, keep that email around and email me if you need help. I truly like helping people, and I thought I'll just go ahead and put an email out there. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.